A skincare routine for moms. That's one of the most requested requests that I've got on this channel. So heart touching and so nice of you guys. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to this channel. I've created this quick skincare routine for moms. I've done it based on my own mom who does not like to have a very complicated skincare routine, doesn't like her skincare routine to be expensive because hey, she's not going to spend money on herself, she's going to spend money on everybody else in the family. And three, it is fuss free, just like our moms are. They just want something the quick chic ho jata hai and ko time nahi waste hota hai. So with these three parameters, I've created a skincare routine. One skincare routine is without retin-A and the other skincare routine is with retin-A. The one without the retin-A goes like this. First of all, I'm very sure most moms use soap on their face to cleanse their face because it's just something they are used to and they find it very convenient. So if she's already using a cleanser, that's brilliant. If she's not, my recommendation is to use the Color Bar water-based cleanser because this doesn't remove the extra oils that are on the skin, and as we age, the oil production goes down. So you don't want the oils to be removed from your face in any case. So this is a good cleanser. If she is somebody who's willing to experiment a little more and to be a little more indulgent with the skincare, then definitely introduce her to the Innisfree green tea seed cleanser because this is really nice. And it's very gentle again, and it feels a little bit luxurious if your mom's in the mood. The best thing about it, it just requires very little, which I'm sure moms love because they're so economy based. पैसे मत waste करो. So this is really nice. And since moms like the cleanser to foam a little bit, this even foams. And she's really going to enjoy it. Among the other things that she's going to enjoy about this cleanser is that if it does touch your eyes, it does not irritate or inflame the eyes. Now, as we age, the tear ducts tend to get drier. And so therefore, most mommies do have this dry eye situation where they tend to water and get irritated very fast. So in such cases, this particular cleanser is really nice because it does not irritate your eyes at all. Now post the cleanser comes the tricky part. If your mom is willing to use a whole lot of actives, then give her the vitamin C, give her the alpha-butane. The vitamin C is great as an antioxidant. It also helps undo the UV damage that most mature skins have because UV damage is accumulative, happens on our skin, right? And most of the moms have probably never used sunscreen or not used it as religiously as they should have. So vitamin C is really good. Alpha-butane is again very good because a lot of moms also tend to develop a little uneven skin tone and a little bit of darkness. Alpha-butane helps with all of that. Now, if she's not going to be willing to use vitamin C and alpha-butane, then my choice would be, or recommendation would be, to just get started on the vitamin C first and let us see the changes on our skin. Because most of the mature skin tend to be drier, my recommendation would be to use a vitamin C which has got oil in it. So oil-based vitamin C from the Pilgrim. It's got jojoba oil in it, so it's deeply hydrating and moisturizing. She's going to enjoy that a lot. And considering she's not going to use any more actives on her skin, a vitamin C before her moisturization or night cream is going to be really nice. And she will see the difference for sure, especially this particular vitamin C. It leaves your skin very hydrated and beautifully. Oh, I love the fragrance of this vitamin C. I really do. So this is one vitamin C for you to go with. If supposing she doesn't want to use a separate vitamin C, but she would like something which has vitamin C and moisturization, then give her the Elixir Face Serum from Just Herbs. It has Guttacola in it, which is a natural antioxidant. It's cream based, and I've realized that most moms like to use something that's non-fussy. It's extremely non-fussy and gives you a very good anti-aging benefit. So it smoothens your skin, softens the skin, and unless the skin is really dry, she typically would not require another cream or a moisturization on top of this. But if it is, then this again is a very gentle, non-interfering kind of fragrance, but it's very nice. So either of these two are really good. After this, you go in with a moisturizer. My personal recommendation for a good moisturizer for mom is the age-old Nivea. I know, guys, it's not very fashionable to use the age-old Nivea, but it's really good. It's got petroleum, which gives you a lot of hydration and really repairs your skin barrier. It's got linoleum in it, and it's a tried and tested product over hundreds of years. So please don't get swayed by the whole lot of chaos that clean beauty has created in skincare. This is bad, this is bad, this is bad. This is a good product to use. Also, what you could do is introduce another product called from Aranya. It's called a Skincare Naturally. This particular body lotion has got moringa oil in it, and I use this on my face and was delighted to use it on my face because it's got such massive moisturization and hydration. Now, if you know skincare a little bit, if you know the skincare industry, the fact is that it's practically got the same ingredients that a good moisturizer would, but there has to be differentiation because they need you to buy a moisturizer and then they need you to buy a body lotion. So they are categorized differently, but otherwise the ingredients are almost the same. So this is great for skin. It's an unknown brand called Aranya. I'm not sure if it's available online. Full disclosure, this was sent to me by somebody who is just launched this brand. I was looking for help for their brand categorization. There is some work that I'm doing with them in terms of giving them feedback on what will work, what will not work. So I said, let me first begin with your products and see, are they even do they even meet the requirements that a user would need. So this particular moisturizer is really nice. I give it a full 9 on 10 actually, because it's so deeply hydrating and moisturizing. If I find the link for this, I'm going to leave it in the description box. Please do get your hands on it. It's really nice. So another recommendation would be to use the moisturizer from the Olay Generalist. Unfortunately, I broke my bottle a few days back, so I'm not able to show it here, but I've done a video on that. It's going to be listed in the description box. Please do have a look. If she's willing to add a serum to her skincare, then definitely go in with the multi-peptide serum. This is fantastic for her because one, it has Matrix 3000, which has got fantastic amount of anti-aging benefits. Plus it has epidermal growth factors, which help the cells to grow faster. And so therefore give you that massive anti-aging benefit. It's really good. I've done a longer, deeper video on it. It's going to be listed in the description box or over here. Please do have a look. A great anti-aging serum for moms. Definitely a win. You could also try the collagen It's Skin Serum called the Effector 10. It is really good collagen boost. There is a whole lot of, doubts whether collagen serums work or not, because what they really have is a lot of hyaluronic acid, which gives you all the hydration and the benefit. But I have been using W10 Effector for, about 4 or 5 months now, and I have some good things to say about this product. It has a very faint fragrance, if at all, but it's a really good product, guys. I'm doing a review of this in terms of what I've experienced. It's a good product to add as a serum and definitely passes for mommies because one, it's not expensive. It's a very fuss-free product and you could see the effects of hydration, moisturization very visibly on your skin. If she's willing to, so that covers the regular skincare, right? She's going to do a double cleanse or a simple cleanse, then use the vitamin C either in a serum or an oil form, and then go in with a good moisturizer. If she's willing to use the serums, then after the vitamin C, introduce the serums and then go in with the moisturizer and she's done. If you're able to convince her to use the Retin A, then do that. Start her at 0.05%. And I've done a video on the schedule for Retin A and also what you need to take care of, the dryness and the moisturization and all of that. It's going to be listed in the description box or definitely over here, or do look at the whole retinoid playlist. You're going to get details from there and get started. In fact, most of you who've written to me for mom skincare have come post retinoid. So I'm guessing a lot of you are very excited about adding retinoid to your mom's routines. If you don't want to stress her too much and you know she's not going to take care of it, it's going to be spooked when the dryness or the irritation happens, then just go in with the minimalist retinoid. The retinoid 2%, it's got HPR, which has got all the benefits of the tretinoin acid, which has got anti-aging benefits and is being studied. The only thing, it doesn't have as much data to substantiate the anti-aging benefits, but it is still a good retinoid to use. So go ahead and get started on this. It's completely fuss-free. She could start with once a week, move it to twice a week, and then thrice a week, and stay at thrice a week for massive benefits. Now, if she does feel a little bit of dryness with the retinoid, get her the squalene oil from the Minimalist. It's again beautiful, and in fact I would recommend squalene oil for most moms if they have very dry skin, because it does have a lot of anti-aging benefits. I think the only problem which comes is that it really depends on your mom is going to be happy to do all the fuss around the skincare or not. If she is willing to go the little extra mile, then give her the squalene oil when she starts the retinoid. It will just make her skin even better. And actually, if she does get any dryness, take care of all of that. She could actually use the squalene oil in place of a moisturizer also, if she is using the, where did the serum go? Man, I have so many products. If she's using this, then she could just go into the squalene and she doesn't require extra moisturization at all. But it's completely up to you, or actually up to your mom on what really works for her. With that, I come to the end of the video. If you have any more questions on how I can help your mom, please feel free to list them in the comment box. I'm more than happy to create an even more detailed skincare routine. Let me know if your moms are the non-fuss type or the fuss type. If she's willing to experiment a lot with the skincare, I could actually create a much more elaborate skincare routine for her. This particular skincare routine was based on the type of mom that I have, who wants a quick, easy, done and dusted skincare routine. She should be done in under 2 minutes, no time to waste on herself kind of routine. So I hope it works for your mom as well. I look forward to hearing from you. Till I see you next time, be good to your skin and hair and keep caring for your mom. She's the most special person in your life, as is mine.